Hello, it's Russ here from Paddle and Hook. This video will cover unboxing a new outboard motor as well as fitting it properly to your boat and breaking it in for the first time. If you're mounting your outboard motor on your boat for the first time, there are two quick things to look for and pay attention to. One, you want to be sure that you center the outboard on the boat properly. I have a nice little drain plug in the dead center of my stern, so it's an easy landmark. Two, you want to be sure that your lower unit clears the bottom of the boat sufficiently so that your boat will propel correctly and so that it can get enough water into the intake so it doesn't overheat. The next step is to tighten the clamp brackets onto the boat to secure your motor properly, like this. With the outboard motor mounted securely on the boat, my next step is to add engine oil, hook up the fuel lines, and with any luck, we'll be in the water this afternoon. The engine oil fill area is located here on my model. I got the approved Tohatsu 4-stroke outboard brand 10W40 that's recommended in the manual. I'm gonna fill them up and then move on. Located the fuel connector and pop the cover off. That's where we're gonna connect the fuel line. Connecting this end to your tank is a breeze. Push it up, slide back your attachment, and you're good to go. When it's time to break in your engine, you should check your manufacturer's guidelines. I couldn't find mine in the owner's manual, but it was on the Tohatsu website. After lowering the engine into place, give the fuel line's primer bulb a few squeezes, and then it's time to warm up the outboard at idle speed. We followed the Tohatsu guidelines, keeping the engine below 50% throttle for the first 2 hours. The first hour of break-in went great. I never took the Tohatsu over 50% power and it was plenty fast. I'm not afraid of what the top speed might be like, but I'm guaranteeing myself that I'll never really be using the top speed on this thing once the break-in period's over. However, I will shoot a video showing you the performance of the motor once I'm past that period, and I will link it up in the comments below. Drop me any questions you might have. This is going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to get this thing out there this summer. It's going to take us to all our favorite fishing spots in a hurry. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.